Hey, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to soft reset your iPhone 17 Pro. If your iPhone 17 Pro is acting slow, frozen, or it experiences some glitches, a soft reset can often fix your issue. So for this method, you will have to use your volume up button and volume down button at the left side of your phone, and then the power button at the on the right side of your phone. So all I have to do is just tap volume up and volume down button one by one, and then press and hold your power button. So the process should be like this: volume up, volume down, and then hold and press your power button, and wait until the screen goes black. Just hold and press, keep holding until you see a logo of Apple, and now we can release power button and basically wait until your phone is turned back on. So let's wait a little bit. And now my iPhone automatically restarted. So when your iPhone is turned back on, it's basically indicates that the soft reset is complete. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.